Let's learn how to pull a Docker image which is compiled with FRR. This is the Docker image. The steps to build this has already done in this channel. If you are interested, you can check to compile on your own. If not, you can just use this Docker pull FRR Docker run routing FRR v1. So this image is already up to date because I have already downloaded. So this is the image. So to start it, this is the command docker run FRR. Name you can give anything. FRR H1 I am giving since one instance I am running. If you want to run more than one, you can give one more session. So I have explained in my video how to create 3 Dockers, how to connect it, everything. If you're interested, you can see that and learn basic routing. So that's all. We are inside the Docker now. You see this, it is a Ubuntu machine which 5.4 kernel. So here this is with the default Docker 172. If you want to connect with a custom bridge, that is also explained in the videos, you can use that. So to start VTOSH, let us FRR. FRR is not running. We'll make it run, but this Docker is compiled with it. You just download it and you can just directly use it. You need to give sudo. That's it. You have done. It's running. Now you can start VTOS. That's it. Now we are ready. If you want to configure anything, router OSPF. All these daemons should be running. You have to go to etc FRR daemons and you can enable any daemon you want and then restart and start it. So for more details of the configuration and everything, it is available in the video. You can check it. Each time after doing this, you have to do a restart. So now you will be able to configure OSP. That's it. So like this, you can use the Docker image. It is in the repo Docker images. So this is one. Once Docker is stopped, it will not be an PS. If it is there, you can use it. So this all three are the same images only. You can use this to do all the exercises given in the YouTube channel. Thank you.